Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson 4. What do you want to be? It's a poem. Now I would like to ask you the same question. What do you want to be? Everyone wants to be happy and healthy. Can you say some qualities of a happy and healthy person? Helpful, caring, exercise regularly, eat the right food, sharing. Now I will recite the poem. Do you want to be happy each day? Then help someone along the way. Do you want to be merry and glad? Then speak a kind word to the sad. Do you want to be healthy and wise? Then early to bed and early to rise. Children, now we will learn in detail. Do you want to be happy each day? Then help someone along the way. These two lines reveal the importance of helping each other in times of need. Do you help others? How do you feel when you help others? It makes us feel happy. So the poet says that if you want to be happy each day, then help others. In our daily life, many people help us in various ways. For example, a doctor gives us medicines. A tailor stitches our clothes. A cobbler mends our shoes. A baker bakes bread and cakes for us. Okay? So it is our duty to help others. If we want to be happy, we should help others. Next two lines reveal the importance of kindness. Kindness is a value. Do you want to be merry and glad? Then speak a kind word to the sad. Merry means cheerful. Glad, joyful. If we want to be merry and glad, then we speak a kind word to the sad. Who needs to hear a kind word? The sad needs to hear a kind word. So we should be kind to others, especially the sad. Next two lines. Do you want to be healthy and wise? Then early to bed and early to rise. These two lines reveal the importance of good habits. What time do you go to bed? What time do you wake up? Do you watch TV late in the night? Can we be healthy if we sleep late? No, we cannot be healthy if we sleep late. Can we be healthy if we wake up early? Yes, we can be healthy if we wake up early. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. It is a proverb. Early to bed and early to rise is a good habit. Once more I will recite the poem. Do you want to be happy each day? Then help someone along the way. Do you want to be merry and glad? Then speak a kind word to the sad. Do you want to be healthy and wise? Then early to bed and early to rise. Now we will discuss about the rhyming words. You have learned about the rhyming words. Rhyming words have the same sound. This poem has three pairs of rhyming words: day, way, day, way. Glad, sad, glad, sad. Wise, rice, wise, rice. Okay, children, here we wind up our class. Thank you.